Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know, we are creating videos on Reddit ads account, like how to create campaigns, conversion tracking and other things as well. So we have a playlist for that, and in today's video we will also discuss another topic in Reddit ads, and that is how to give an access of the Reddit's business manager account to another person. Like if you want to give access of your Reddit ad account or business manager account, if you want to give access to the same to another person, so you need to do these following steps. So with the help of that, you will able to give them access, and then he or she will able to access the account at their end and able to make the changes in the campaigns. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Let me show you how to do it. So as always, first of all, you just need to go to the Reddit ads account dashboard. As you can see, now I am on the Reddit ads dashboard, and here you can make the changes, like everything which need to be done in the Reddit ads account, whether it's ads or something else, you need to go to the ads dashboard first, then you'll be able to do other things. So as I've already opened it here, so what I need to do is we need to find an option, and that will be come when we click on this particular option. And as you can see, now we have different options here, like dashboard, create campaign, campaign import, bulk import, event manager, audience manager, report manager, copyright. So if you are aware of meta ads, you know these kind of options, like why they are using. So what the things we need to do here is we need to go to the user section. Basically, we need to provide access of our ads account to another person. So we need to give them access on their particular mail ID on which they have created the Reddit ads account. So we need to do it from here. So in the user section, you just need to click and open the same in a separate tab, and once you click on it, it will redirect to you to the dashboard where you can add the person, basically the person mail ID, so that they will get the access of our Reddit ads account. So first of all, you just need to go to the member options. As you can see, there is a member option at the top, and then in the right corner you have options of invite new member. So you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you the two options, like business employee or business admin. So I will always prefer give the business employee access, because if you give them the business admin access, they have the access of all the things. They have also access of your funds as well, like which kind of card you are using, your billing details. So they have that information if you will give them the business admin access. So I will always prefer go to the give them business employee access, but if you want, you can give them the business admin as well. If they are your known person and you want them to have that kind of access, then you can share it with them. But I will always prefer give them member access, so that they have only those basically those things of access which they want to use. So now we just need to add the person email here, and the email on which the particular Reddit ad account is created, like the person have created their ad accounts on a particular Gmail. So you need to ask them for that particular mail, and then you can add it here. As I have already created a separate mail which I will use. So I have the email of the user, so I will put it here. As you can see, I have put the mail here. So now with the help of this mail, Reddit will send them a particular access mail so that they can accept our request. So that request will go to them. I will also show you how the request will be showcasing to the particular person who get that mail. So after that, you just need to click on the next button, and then you need to provide them the access, like basically analyst, creator, administrator. I will provide them analyst administrator access. If you want, you can give them creator or analyst as well. As I want to provide them an administrator access, because basically I want them to create, edit ads, so that's why I'm doing it. So after that, you just need to check off your ID and then confirm it. And once you confirm it, it will give you the a pop-up where they will give you the message member has been sent. Basically they have sent the mail on particular member which you have which mail you have put in the mark. So now you can see I have got it the mail from Reddit and the invitation basically. So here I just need to accept that invitation so that I will able to access their ads account. So once I click on the accept invitation button, it will redirect me to the Reddit ads manager, and then I have the access of that particular account. So I have opened both the account here so that you have an idea how the like access request has been sent from here and how it will be received from the person which you are giving the access. And now I will click on the accept invitation button, and once I click on it, it will take some time. So now as you can see, we are redirected on this page where you can see we have the access of ProLine, basically the ProLine ads account, because the access I have sent it to you is the ProLine one. So you just need to open the ProLine ad account is mine, it's the different. So now we are redirected to this page. As you can see, this is the ad account, like the main ad account ProLine, on which I have gave the access of this ad account 2K21. So 2K21 ad account access is here right now. You can access their ad account easily, and now you will able to open their ads account at your end. In the same way, now once you accepted the request, you can refresh the business manager page, and once you refresh it, you can see your ID will be showcased here. As you can see, this is our ID, Puneet Mishra, and it will be showcased here. It means I have the administrator access, and now there are a lot of options where you can add personal. Like if you want to add Puneet Mishra here, you can just click on the add button and name it. Their ID will be showcased here. As you can see, our like ID shown here, like I have accepted the request, and now I'm able to access their ad account at my end, basically the other ad account at like my end, and now I will be able to create campaigns and do all the things. So if you want, you can also check other things as well. If I have the ad account access as well, other integrations, business detail, all the things you can check it from here. And with the help of the administrator access, you can do anything, like if you want to create new campaigns and if you want to make some changes in the old campaign, you can do it from here. So with the help of this particular option, like business manager, Reddit business manager option, you can send the access of your personal Reddit ad account to another ad account. So this is the thing which clients will use this method to give access of their ad account to the employee so that they will do their work, and in this way we are able to manage the campaigns. So I think now you are able to know like how we can do it, how we can add somebody in our personal Reddit ad account with the help of Reddit business manager. And in the same way you can add other things as well, pixel, the page profile, all the things you can do it from business manager. So this is all for now. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. And if you want to have some more question regarding this video, you can comment below. Thank you so much.